Welcome back, crafty friends. It's Alicia of the Call Me Crafty Al YouTube channel, and I am so happy that you've stopped by today. If this is your first time to my channel, I hope by the end of the video that you'll be inspired to hit that subscribe button below and click on the bell. If you're already a regular viewer, as always, thanks for stopping back by. The video that I'm here today with is the start of some videos I will be sharing this week for a collaboration. At the end of 2018, Julia McNeil Crafts posted a call for collaborators on her Instagram account. So I thought, I'll find out more about it. And once she told me about it, I definitely wanted to join. She wanted to find out how storytelling can spark creativity. So as you watch the videos throughout the week from the collaborators, which everybody is linked below, you're going to see how either personal stories or written stories have sparked them to be creative and share a project with you. This week in the UK is National Storytelling Week. Now, I didn't realize it was only a UK thing until I did some more research, but you know what? That's okay. Maybe I can bring some more awareness to it in the United States. But what they do is celebrate storytelling, whether it is an oral or a written form. Over the next few days, I'm going to share with you a project and then the process of how I was inspired by storytelling to create something. A couple things went into the creation of my piece that I will be sharing with you today. Around the holidays, my daughter had mentioned, you know what, I might want to do a diary or a journal. And I've also been really interested lately in altered books and traveler's notebooks, so I thought I would use that with this collaboration, and I would also use one of my daughter's favorite stories or series of stories to have as the theme of the project. If you maybe have looked closely at the pages in front of me, you might be able to tell what story or series I have decided to work with today. If the chapter title, The Sorting Hat, gives you any ideas, you might see where I'm going. So what I did is I created, it's kind of half traveler's notebook, half altered book. So are you ready to see what I created? I took the covers off Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone paperback book. This was a used copy that I got at Goodwill, so I didn't feel as bad about tearing it apart, but I still did feel a little bit bad. But I have reused some of the pages inside, and I hope to use some more of these later. So what I did, I created a laminated cover. It almost looks like a hardback book. And on the inside, I created signatures. I created 3. For my daughter to write in. The first 2 are just standard signature books that have been embellished, and then this third one was actually a $1 yearly planner from the Dollar Tree that I took the plastic cover off of and then covered the chipboard cover with some Harry Potter themed pattern papers I had purchased on a scrapbook digital kit. And inside that is a little planner that she could use, whether she just wants to do it to write down things that happened on these days, or if she wants to use it for school or life in general. Now, if she ever fills up these first 2 signature booklets, I can easily make more for her to put inside here. At the very back of the book, I have adhered down a foil-lined envelope, and it has the Hogwarts seal on there. And inside of there are more embellishments and some 3x4 cards that she could add later if she wanted to. I made some of the word strips and embellishments into stickers so they were ready to go for her. You might be asking, where did you get this digital kit at? It is a digital scrapbook kit, and I will show you some of the pages from it. These are what the 3x4 card sheets look like. The name of the kit is Project Mouse Wizarding, and it is by British Designs and Solin Studio. I will link the page below where you can go and purchase these for yourself. I just took my files into Kinko's along with some of my cardstock and had them print everything on that cardstock for me. And then I used what I needed, but I also have lots left. I thought I would do just a little flip through here, and then Later in the week, I hope tomorrow and the next day, I will be sharing with you the process of how I created this. So if you're interested in that and you're not already subscribed, click on the bell and then you'll know when I upload those videos so you can come check it out. So of course the front, like I mentioned before, is just the front and the back from an actual Harry Potter book. And I just adhered those to some gold cardstock that I had around. On the inside front cover, I just glued down one of the 3x4 cards from the kit. And then I used some of the cut-aparts to decorate the first signature book. My daughter is a Hufflepuff, so that's why I chose the yellow and black stripes for this one. I have a little tuck spot here. And then as I go through, I decorated some of the pages with little stickers. You can see also I put in some pages from the book that are the chapter headings. Some pages I left absolutely blank just so she could put her own stickers in there if she wanted to. And then I put inside that signature book, I have another piece of the pattern cardstock and another tuck spot. I created 4 altered paper clips, one from each house. I tried to keep it themed, like I started with stuff about Harry Potter, and now I'm going into the Hogwarts Express items, so you'll start to notice some of that. Boarding the trains, King Cross Station, Platform 9 3/4, of course, I have a lot of those sprinkled throughout. And then probably one of my favorite parts is this ticket to get on the train. That makes a nice tuck spot, but it's also just a great addition. The second signature book starts out with Hogwarts themed stuff, or like the different houses within the school. Here we have the crest, the Sorting Hat chapter, a little tuck spot where she can also show which house she was sorted into. One of my favorite embellishments or printables from the kit is the Hogwarts silhouette with the word home on it. And then we have some stuff about the wand and magic. So the wand chooses the wizard, potions master chapter page, spell book. Here's another wand card. This one I did not make a tuck spot, I just glued it all the way down. Here we have some magic books, and you could tuck stuff up there. Next up is Quidditch, the Golden Snitch, and then different positions in Quidditch, like keepers, beaters, chasers, and somewhere else in here is the seekers. I also sprinkled some other cards throughout, like here we have a wand permit. And then at the back is another tuck spot. Do you play Quidditch because you look like a keeper? I thought that was fun. And then we go into the planner, which I did not add anything extra in there, except I did put one of the altered paper clips. So I hope that you enjoyed this video today. If you did, I appreciate a thumbs up. Everybody who is playing along in this collaboration will be linked below. But if you want to click on the hashtag National Storytelling Week 2019 JMC, that is going to take you to any videos that have been uploaded so far for this collaboration, because we will be uploading at different times throughout the week. Some of us are going to upload every day, some of us are just going to do once or twice. So make sure you click on that below and go see what everyone else has created. I know that some of the collaborators are going to have giveaways, so you'll want to check that out. I hope you enjoyed this video, and until my next one, I hope you're having a crafty day. Bye-bye.